Hi guys, look who it is, hey, bonus time, bonus video. I've had this sat in there for about 4 days now, but with one thing and another, with time and with illness, mine and the back and the whole saga and one thing and another, I've not had time to do it, but I come in today. I'm back home from the nurses, finished work, home from the nurses, got a couple of hours free, got the place to myself. I'll do this unboxing, and here it is. There you go. I've opened it. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching. I'll try and do another one in a couple of days, see if we can get a box of different colour. Bye. No money kidding. This is astounding acts of generosity. It's from Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf sent me all those wonderful razors to use, razors I wouldn't normally have got a chance to use, and he sent me them, and he sent me this unboxing. Now, like I said, I did open it because I just couldn't wait. So we've got this. That's an envelope. That's a little star prize. He sent me this. Look at this. Dendy orange mint. Never heard of that, but it smells fantastic. I'm looking forward to using that. Seen these blades, was going to get some, didn't, forgot about them when I opened them. They were in the packet. Racer, let me know what you think of all this stuff. And then he sent me this. What's this? Check this out, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Let's have a look. Look at this. Thank you very much, Mr. Wolf. Now, all that in and of itself would have been absolutely phenomenal. But Mr. Wolf, got to just make sure there isn't anything else. Mr. Wolf messaged me and he said, John, I've made something. I've made you something. He's made this for me, guys. Now, I've seen it. You haven't. Wait until you check this bad boy out. Are you ready? There you go. That, guys, is solid titanium. He has made me a solid titanium 28mm brush handle, and I cannot wait to pop a little knot in there. Got any suggestions of what knot you put in there? Put it in. I've already got a knot in mind for this, but I haven't got it. It's about $100 the knot I've got to put in here, and until I come back from Holland in a couple of months, I'm just not going to have that. So you won't see this again for a couple of months, but I just thought I would share it with you and say thank you to Mr. Wolf for his brilliance. He made that. How clever is he? How talented. Think he made that, and he thought of me when he did it. So thank you for your kindness. Thank you, guys. That's it. Little unboxing. I'll do the Frank shaving video giveaway at some point this week. Feeling better. It's good to feel good. Nice cup of tea. Look at that. Sports Direct, a big pint mug. Sometimes a little cup's just not going to do it, is it? Anyway, cheers everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you to Mr. Wolf. Thank you to all you guys for watching. The next time I see you will probably be the shave. I'll put the shave out, and then I may film the Frank shaving giveaway and put that up towards the end of the week. Take it easy, guys. Bye.